alternate, supplementary, and corresponding angles. Find angle X. Think about the reason you would give each time. So you need to find angle X for all these different diagrams, and you think of the reason you give each time. You can try it and then you come back and see how I have done it. Find angle X. Think about the reason you would give each time. For this one, angle X is 51 degrees because the two angles are inside these two parallel lines. That's the first parallel line and that's the second parallel line. Because they have that arrow there, it means those two lines are parallel. And this is a traversal. So these two angles add up to 180. X plus 129 will add up to 180 degrees. So to get angle X is 180 minus 129, which will gives you 51 degrees. This is the next one. Find the angle X. Think about the reason you would give each time. The angle X is called a corresponding angle. So it's 115 degrees. If you think about this as a parallel line with the arrow, and this is a parallel line, and that's a traversal, you look at this as the letter F. Can you see that? That looks like a letter F. So this angle corresponds to that one. So you can have a letter F like that, or in this case, the F is lying on the side like that. So those two angles are corresponding angles. Find the angle X. This one, that's a parallel line to this line. That's why it's the two of them got the arrows. And that is a traversal. So you look for that letter Z. You can see the Z there like that. So the Z is like that. You can have Z like that. So this angle and this angle are alternate angle because you can see that letter Z. This angle and this angle are the same, alternate angles. For this one, you can pause it and try it. Find angle X. Think about the reason you will give each time. Angle X is 100 degrees. How do we get that? If we look at this is the parallel line, these two green lines, I've highlighted them green, they're parallel. So we can see this letter F. We can see that letter F, and this angle 80 is the same like this angle 80. And this is a straight line. Angles in a straight line add up to 180. So 180 minus 80 would gives you 100 degrees. So X is 100 degrees. And for this one, you want to find the angle X. Try it first. The angle X is 148 degrees. How did we get that? You got the parallel line, one, and the other line. That's the two parallel lines. And if you look at, you can see these two angles there. So this one and this one is 132 degrees because they are corresponding angles. You can see that letter F like that. You can see the letter F. So this angle and this angle are the same, the one I've just shaded green. So 180 minus 132 will give you X, which is 140, which is 48 degrees for X. For this next one, find the angle X. Angle X is given by 114 degrees. How do we get that? If we look at the parallel lines, we can see that letter F. So 66 degrees is the same like this angle at the top there. So 180 minus 66, it gives you 114 degrees.